gets you a chance to make a project that you can talk about on LinkedIn, and it's a win-win because once you finish it, then you have your portfolio website. You know, it's like doing killing two birds with one stone. Yeah, am I sharing my screen? Yeah, yeah. All right. All right, cool. So let me get into this now. I couldn't get the project to work on my end because I don't want to waste any more time. Something about the chat thing and it's because of the. I'm sure it's because of the freaking CodeSpace URL. Remember, Shay, that you have to add it to your thing.
Yeah.
So never mind. I'm just gonna start this up. So this is the thing I'm working on. It's taking a while. Let's see. Oh, now I gotta make a. Maybe I shouldn't do this one. Um, so let's see. Yeah, I think I have a thing there. React Playground. Okay. Alright, npm run dev. So this is a thing me and Taylor are working on. Wait, is this?
Hey, well, when you guys launching?
I don't know.
Same question for you, Thomas. When are you launching? Your mentor.
Oh yeah, your thing, your mentor website.
You're on mute if you're talking. Oh, never mind. He's not.
There we go. Okay, which one is this? So while we're waiting for that, so to view your page in a different screen size, you can pull up your inspector. Okay, here we go. All right, so Thomas, do you want to start recording?
Yeah, I'm already recording.
Oh, since when? Since that whole time?
Yeah, when you started sharing your screen, he started recording.
Okay, it's fine. Y'all can fast forward. Okay, so here, to view your screen in different sizes, there's this thing here, this toggle. Like, there's the arrow thing I've talked about before in class, and then there's this one right here. You click on that, and it gets like that. So typically, I like to look at. There's these like bars right here, mobile. So this is mobile S for small, mobile medium, large, tablet, laptop, etc. So you can click each one and it changes the size. And it shows you what it would look like. And as you can tell, right here, it gets squished together. It looks kind of awkward. And if you get here, it looks more normal because that's what we've been making it in so far. If you click on this drop down, dimensions responsive, there's like actual devices. So iPhone SE, Pixel 7, etc. And so yeah, so let's say, here clearly the nav bar is getting switched together, things are overlapping. So let's say I want to take a look at that. So I might put it on mobile S and notice that it has 320 pixels. So I think that's the width of the screen, 320 pixels. So the first thing I can do is try to change the styles in the inspector to fix the problem. So we can look in here. Let me see. For one, I think I might want to make this needs to be smaller, this text for sure. I almost might not want to see that. React Playground, because if I go here, it's the logo that I made, by the way, and it says React Playground. So if I go here, I almost feel like I don't even want to see the words React Playground. Sometimes when mobile view, it's nice to just get rid of certain things. So I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna say display none, gets rid of it. So we're closer. That kind of looks fine. Is there anything else besides home tutorial? No, that's it. 3 things. Okay. So far, so good. If I go up again, it still looks good to me. That kind of took care of it. So if I get rid of it, it looks good there in the tablet view. Mobile, it still looks weird there. So that means I want display none starting at 320 pixels. That's the width. Here and here, right? If I put it back, it still looks weird. Tablet. So this is where it looks weird. I mean, it looks fine here. Yeah. So 768, it does not look good. I mean, it looks good, but prior to that. So between 320 and 768, I don't want to see this React Playground thing. So I clicked on here. It's an H4. It says React Playground. With display none, it gets rid of it. So I'm going to look. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to find that React Playground. So I'm going to go to my code. Here, I'm going to search, use a magnifying glass. React Playground. I'm looking for an H4. Let me see. I think it's layout TSX, maybe. Oh no, navigation. Here. That's the H4 right there. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it a class so I can select it with CSS. Nav title. Sounds good. And so now I need to go to my CSS. Do I have a CSS for that? Where my CSS at? Styles. I do not. So let's add it real quick. Nav, what is it called? Nav what? File. Components, navigation. Navigation.css. Okay. So here I had the thing called what? Nav title. So I'm gonna say dot nav title. And okay. So at some point I'm gonna put display none. Whoops. That's the way to make something disappear, display none. But I only want this to happen. Only want this to happen at a certain time. So we can use a media query. I always forget how to do a media query. Thomas, you know how to do it off the top of your head? It's like, I just have to look it up. At media screen. That looks good. Wait. And then you could put something there. Let me look at one of my other projects. Let's see here. I know for sure my portfolio thing has it. Portfolio page. SRC. Styles. Navbar. Here we go. Something like that. Okay. So let's see here. Okay, cool. So it seems like you do at media screen mid width, and I guess, do you do like that? Max. You have to put and. Think like that. So we said the minimum width and the maximum width. That something should happen. So put this in there. So what did we say? 3 what? 320?
Yeah.
Okay, so 320. So the minimum is 320 pixels. The maximum was 760?
80, I think. Or you
80?
Yeah.
Keep it like that for now just to see. So that's straightforward, right?
Yeah.
When the minimum width is 320 and the maximum is 760, anything in between those two screen widths, we want these changes to occur, these styles. Okay, so now let's look. Okay, I think it happens automatically. Yeah. So you see now, wait, no, let me refresh it because that's like the inspector thing I did. Still didn't come up. Oh, because I didn't import it, the CSS. Okay, import, and I just do the thing right away. Styles, where's styles at? Where the heck is it? Styles. Oh, no. Styles and app. Oh, here, app. Styles / navigation.css. That should work. Let's see. Oh, I think it worked. Yeah. So if y'all can see here in the inspector, it shows this media screen, all that stuff we just did, and it's showing display none. So now the H4 that had the text is gone. And if I keep on going, it's gone. Right there, it came back. 760. Anything above 760, it came back. Cool. So I think that's good enough for a demo. Any questions about that? That makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. And so sometimes the answer is display none. It's just a CSS game, you know? So like, so if I'm here, like this looks scrunched up. So I can look at it. Let me click here. So let me start there. Let me look, is there a parent div for this? This thing right there. So here it says width 66%. That looks better. At least like a step in the right direction. So I might change it to width 100%. I might get rid of this icon thing. This welcome logo container. Display none. Kind of getting there. Might put some padding. 1 rem. That looks just about right, give or take. Good enough. All right, so I put display none here. I put width 100%, and I put some padding. So then I would go back here, and I would find the right classes, and do the same thing, and to figure out up until what width I need to do that to. So yeah. Cool. I think that's good. Any questions about that? Awesome. So yeah, in this hypothetical world, if you guys have extra time, y'all could do that. But yeah, it'll be fun for you guys to have fun with after the cohort, perhaps.